lady, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys my October Ipsy bag. I have been subscribed to Ipsy for about 6 years now and it's great, I love it. I've had very few dud bags where nothing in there was stuff that I liked. So my experience has been very positive. For those of you who might be living under a rock and don't know, Ipsy is a subscription service. You pay $10 a month plus whatever taxes in your area and they mail you a little makeup bag. They mail you 5 sample or deluxe sample size products. They also are great with sending tools. A lot of my brushes come from Ipsy. I've gotten an eyelash curler from them, various nail polishes. One thing I love about Ipsy is that I get to try out a wide variety of different products and I'm not stuck with a full-size item usually, and especially with skincare it's going to be sample size, which I enjoy because I can get a few weeks use out of it and then I'll know whether or not it's actually something that will work for me, and then I'm not having to give away something that I've used or throw away something that I've hated, and I feel like that's less wasteful. So without further chit chat, let's get into checking out my October Ipsy bag. So every month you will get your Ipsy bag in this little pink bubble wrap envelope thing. I kind of wish this was recyclable. It's not really recyclable where I am. So Ipsy, if you ever see this for some crazy reason, recyclable packaging would be really cool. Sorry, it sounded like there was a crying child outside of my house, which is weird. So every month your Ipsy bag will come in a little bag like this. It'll always be different. This month it kind of is patterned. It's got like a little masquerade mask, which is kind of cool because it's Halloween. You know, it goes with the theme. The bags are okay. For me, I feel like they are just too small. You know what I mean? They're not itty bitty, but to use as a makeup bag when I'm traveling or something like that, they're just too small. I can still use these for other things. So these aren't worthless. They're just not super useful for me personally. I don't know. You also receive a card that I dropped on the floor. It doesn't have a whole lot of information. It has no information about the items in the bag, which is a little annoying. The Ipsy app will tell you everything about your items that you need to know. So this is October 2018 and it says who said nights were for sleep. So it's Ipsy After Dark. Let's see, we all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird, inexplicable things that go down when you stay out late. And a post 11 p.m. outing is a killer excuse to take some beauty risks. Tempted? No, I like to sleep. We hope your October glam bag inspires endless after dark adventures. Stay wild, Moonchild. Let's get into the bag. And the first thing I see in here are 2 masks. They're weird looking. They look like this. You can actually see inside and see them. These are black eye masks with hyaluronic acid. Interesting. So we have 2 of these. That's one thing I love about Ipsy. So I think like last month I got some avocado masks. I got 2 of them. So you can try these more than once, which I enjoy. Like, because you won't always be able to tell. Unless the mask is freaking amazing, you won't be able to tell if it did anything, which is kind of irritating. So I've got 2 of these, and I'm just going to, and I probably should have opened this already, I'm just going to open the Ipsy app and have a look at these masks, see if there's any extra information that might be useful to know. La la la. Okay, black eye masks. Apparently the activated charcoal acts like a dirt mask to pull leftover makeup, oils, and toxins from your pores. Stayed up past your bedtime? Pop this baby on to help minimize the appearance of dark circles, depuff your under eye area, and give your skin a moisture boost. Interesting. Now, I've never used a charcoal mask on my eyes because I didn't think that was something that you could put on your eye area, but this seems to say that you can. So we'll have to try these out and see what we think. The second item we're going to have a look at because it fell out of the bag is this item from the Balm. This is Take Home the Bronze. It's an anti-orange bronzer in the shade Oliver, and it looks like this. I'm not sure how well this will work on my skin tone. It might work fine. I actually don't use a lot of bronzers because of that reason. I tend to look kind of orange unless it's very cool toned. The other color we could have gotten was Thomas, and Thomas was a lot darker. This guarantees no orange. It's cruelty-free and vegan, which is nice. Okay, you guys, sorry about that abrupt ending on the description for the Take Home the Bronze. My camera decided to stop recording because that makes sense. But yeah, this is the anti-aging bronzer in Oliver. The third item in here is a brush from SL Miss Glam, I think is how you say it. This is the L50 Lilac Sparkle Eye Blender. It's 100% cruelty-free, which is nice. They're very soft. This is the second SL Glam beauty brush that I've gotten from Ipsy. They're cute looking. I love the glitter on the handle. It's super fun and it's very girly. The next item we have in the bag is the incredible You Glow Girl Iridescent Jelly in Cosmic Blur. I've never heard of an iridescent jelly before. Let's kind of see what this is all about. I'm guessing it's a highlighter type product. This is a jelly highlighter. It's a soft, smooth formula that's buildable and blendable. It's good on cheekbones and brow bones, and you can use it on your lids. It's an ultraviolet color with blue flecks. Interesting, interesting. The next and last item we have in here is a goodie and a favorite, one that I have in the full size. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in Fair Neutral. The great thing about Tarte is they are 100% cruelty-free, which is wonderful. This has mango seed butter, which conditions your skin, licorice root extract that will brighten dark spots, shea butter intensely hydrates and helps protect skin's moisture barriers. It's a matte formula. Well, this is perfect for traveling. I will definitely be using this. So that's everything that was in my October Ipsy bag. If you're interested in subscribing to the Ipsy bag, I will have a link in the description of the video that you can use if you want to subscribe. So yeah, until the next video, bye!